New mechanical keyboard just came in the mail. Listen to the sound it makes. I can't stop pressing the keys. The sound is so satisfying. The way that it's made, super thick, like heavy duty. Like this thing would knock somebody out if you hit them in the head with it. I'm excited to figure out what I can use this for. I might just sit here and press these keys all day. The reason I can afford it is because it was on sale for $65. I know usually, or actually it was $60, because usually they're $85, and I found it. I'll put the same link that I used right here.